Hi, welcome back. Daniela here with a brand new video created with my favorite things from the April kits. I used the embellishments, the papers, one little piece of the cardstock, and also the hoop die. And then I also made use of the blue powder included in the color kit. All right, so let's take a look at my favorite pieces. First of all, I wanted to work with those felt white clouds. They are really pretty and I haven't used them before, so I will use these on my project, and then I also want to use these pretty alphabet stickers. They come in two different colors, which match all the papers and embellishments. So these are also really great. And then I picked this pretty paper. There are a lot of flower elements here on the paper, and I did some fuzzy cutting to have a lot of flowers to work with on my next projects. So you see, whenever I do some fuzzy cutting, I always leave some white space around the shape. So you see, this is what it looks like. And yeah, these make perfect embellishments. All right, so I started my page by applying some blue here, and I just mixed the powder with water, put it on a foil, and then I can have a big stain here in the center of my white cardstock. And yeah, this is the main background that I want to have. And working with a picture here, and just back it with different paper stripes. You see that here as well I'm going for the main color blue, and then I also add two manufacturer stripes here in light orange and pink to have a contrast. Yeah, I feel that I need some more blue, so the stain has to be a bit bigger. So just add more color here with the foil. This is an easy method, and you can yeah, really decide where you want the color stain to be. Yeah, this is my background. I place my picture here on top of it, and now I can start to use my embellishments. First of all, I want to have two circle elements here. These are the chipboard pieces that come in the embellishment kit, and then I cut a green hoop from yeah, a piece of cardstock, and this way I have a third circle element. So it's always a good choice to have odd numbers. So this is why I have decided to have three circle elements, and then I can start to add my fuzzy cut flowers. I really want to have two clusters here. So the flowers are a nice addition to the circle elements, and we have pretty orange and pink and green color shades here in the flowers. So I also add some of those tiny little blue ones that I also fuzzy cut from the paper. And now I can use my clouds, and I want to put them here on top of the blue background. And yeah, I think that these are really pretty. They add a lot of texture, and they are a nice addition to all the paper elements. And yeah, I think they look quite gorgeous on the blue background. Okay, so now I'm working with those alphabet stickers, and I'm going to have a long title, and that is why I want to see how it looks like. So I'm placing all the alphabets or all the letters here on the foil first of all to see how big it's going to be. And I went to the Romance Museum here with my daughter, and the picture was taken there. She's looking through a window with a nice saying, a quotation from a famous poem. So this is my title. It's just following the different traits of romance, and this is what I want to have here as a big title. And I'm really into literature, so visiting this museum was a nice thing to do, and there were so many impressions. So this is something I want to document for myself, and scrapbooking is just the perfect way of doing so, and Hip Kit Club just delivers the perfect pretty paper pieces that we need to do so. So if you haven't grabbed your kits, be sure to head to the shop and to take a look at all the beautiful kits they offer. All right, so I just need to add some more tiny bits and pieces. You see that I have added one of those puffy stickers, and now I just add some journaling, and then I think that I have a nice dreamy page for my album documenting this fun day with my daughter. Okay, so this is what my page turned out in the end. Just add the date, and then I can show you a few details. And because of all those Fussy-cut elements, I have a lot of dimension here, and this is what I like to have on all of my pages. Well, I hope you liked my way of using my product, and thank you so much for watching again. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.